Kia ora, good morning. It is Friday. What a week. I'm Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. There's a lot to cover this morning. So, yesterday morning, the wider markets were in pretty much sell everything mode. And this morning, the world looks to be in a tentative buy some things mode. Just quickly, equities. The globe's makeshift barometer, I guess, of market sentiment at the moment. Choppy, but mildly positive currently. So gains of between 1 and 3% across Europe and the US. Those mild gains in major equity indices, it makes it feel calm, but volatility is still very much there. The New Zealand dollar, classic example. The Kiwi collapsed to a new lowest level since the GFC yesterday of 54.7 US cents. The bird, like almost everything, a victim of the global buy greenback play. Overnight, the Kiwi and most other currencies, they ricocheted off those lows. The New Zealand dollar bouncing back to scratch just above 59 US cents. So just recapping the past 24 hours, 57.5 at 7 a.m. yesterday, 54.7 at 4 p.m., 59.15 at 5 a.m., and currently back at yesterday's open, 57.5-ish. Volatility. I know that word, you know that word. It's the right adjective, but at the same time, it's not of a sufficient magnitude, gravitar, whatever, to describe those movements. Anyway, Kiwi, volatility, for lack of a better word. And Kiwi Aussie, we haven't made that back to parity, and that's despite the RBA cutting base interest rates to 0.25% at an out-of-cycle meeting yesterday afternoon. The other Kiwi crosses, big swings there too. Kiwi Euro is traded in almost 5 euro cent range. First hand, the tables there. We'll neatly summarise where the NZD XXX has been over the past 24 hours and where it is now. There's a lot going on. Commodities, right, oil, that rebounded overnight by 12%. $28 is the current going price for a barrel of Brent crude. Metals, precious, industrial, they're a real mixed bag. But gold, off the pace by 1% this morning. Data, on the data front, we had some that wasn't for a pre-coronavirus period. From the US, weekly initial jobless claims for the week ending the 14th of March, but effectively last week, 281,000 Americans are estimated to have joined the unemployment queue during that period. Forecasts were for 219,000, so worse than expected. Also the highest level in 2 and a bit years. But that 2017 high was a weather-related one-month spike, so arguably the highest since early 2016. It's hard to get your head around, or at least I'm struggling. This economic data that is literally only a few days old it's about as timely as economic data gets, but things are evolving so rapidly, the rules have changed. Clearly is it of any real value anymore? I don't know. Anyway, on the COVID front, as a driver of markets, actually you don't need me to cover those headlines. We'll have some links in first hand, but I'm sure you're all over everything anyway. Okay, I think that's enough. Right, so yesterday's movement in the Kiwi probably emphasizes just how rapidly things are changing. If you're worried about your hedging, your positioning, your orders, markets in general, please do reach out to your Kiwibank Financial Markets dealer. Broken record, I know, but we genuinely are here to help with whatever we can. Like Matt in the background there. He's in bright and early to help me with this. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Kia pai tora.